Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting Excel tutorial video. My name is Alexander Wong and today we're going to be going over the functions left, mid, and right. So essentially what these functions are used to do is to extract certain information or certain text out of a cell. For example, question 1, find the first and second letter of people's surname. So what I would do in this case is put an equal sign followed by left, and then you can press on the surname. So essentially what this is doing is it's counting from the left. So it's extracting starting from the left. So in this case we want the first and second letter of people's surname. So that is the first, C counts as the first, and the R counts as the second. So we need two characters, CR. So essentially, I'm going to repeat what Excel just did. It took, starting from the left, the first two alphabets, right? So that's how that works. And then I'm going to jump to number 3 first. Right works in the exact same way, except this time, you guessed it, it starts from the right. So I'm going to put in here, Morris, and two characters. So I have IS, which is the last two letters in Morris's surname. Moving on to mid. So I'm assuming you also guessed what this is. Essentially, mid is when you want to take something out of the middle of a word or whatever you have in a cell. So in this case, I'm going to put mid, and then this is the text, and then the starting number. Are we starting from 1 or 2? We are starting from 2 as we want the second and third letter. So we are starting from the O, which is the second letter. So we're going to put start number as 2, and then another comma. Number of characters we want is just 2. We want the second and third letter. So that's 2 characters. So I'm going to put that in there, and voila. OW. Perfect. Left, mid, and right. And if you want to, you can also try out question number 4, which is to create a custom code for everyone combining the several factors in their names and their positions. Essentially for this, what you want is to either use concatenate, which I have in my other video, and also the ampersand sign. These are both tools you can use to help you do question number 4. So I'm just going to do it quickly here. A custom code for everyone by combining the first letter of their surname, last letter of their first name, a lot of things. I'm going to start off with concatenate, which is a function to join together different strings of text. So in the first one, I need, what do I need? I need the first letter of the surname. So I'm going to start from the left, and the text is Griffin. The number of characters, just the first, right? So there we have it. Sorry about that. So that is the first thing we want in this concatenate function, which is the first letter of the surname. Then moving on, we have the last letter of the first name, so that would be starting from the right. And the text is first name, so 1 character, that's it. And then the level, the 1 digit, so that would be another right, starting from the right, taking this numeric number, just 1 character. And last but not least, the first 2 digits of their compensation. So the first 2 digits are, again, starting with left. And then, starting with left, going here, and 2 characters. And there you go. Now we have a customized code for everyone in this company. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I was of help.